हमने क्या बोला, what is the emblem? Fish. And then patronized Sangam, and then assembly at what is the capital Madurai, and famous for its pearl trade and female rule. And then I said that, और पंडितों के घर में एक्चुअली में जाओगे, बाहर में वो बड़े स्मार्ट्स बोलते हैं, और घर में जाते ही पंडित एकदम कंप्लीटली, आप किसी को पंडित आर कंप्लीटली विद इन द हाउस देयर, व्हाट इज कौन होता है, फीमेल्स आर द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट साइड, क्लियर, खा पी के भी मोटे रहती है सब कुछ. सो फीमेल, आई सेड दैट फीमेल रूल, कहां पे पांड्या में हुज रूल इज मेजर, फीमेल रूल. सो वी हैव सीन दैट फर्स्ट आई सेड Melkanakku. I said that the Tamil has been divided into literature in the form of Melkanakku, and then I said Kikkanakku. Melkanakku is there is 18 major narrative works are there, and 18 minor didactics are there, and then 18 major में we have been able to see 10 idols and 8 anthologies, and 10 idols are known as Pattu Pattu, and 8 idols are known as Ettu Togai. And thereafter we have seen it is talking about charms, and then lots of romance, and then pastoralism life is there, so much it is talking about. It is able to say that what is the pastoral life, what is the social life, economic life and all, and those heroes, those who are dying during the what is a pastoral fight, there is a fight is taking place, those who are dying, they have been converted into what is stones and all. It is known as what, megalithic kind of cultures are there, and those stones are known as Virakral, Vikral. Virar Kal hai, lekin मैं बोल रहा हूँ Vikral. Understood it? And thereafter we have been able to see, like I said, that Kikkanakku, and Kikkanakku, you know that it is in a minor works in which I said that it has been important to the king, and the other social code of conduct has been mentioned, and further there is also some kind of other political and social economical at minor level, Kikkan, and that is a Kikkanakku, and there is an 18 minor works. And thereafter we talked about the Tirukral. And Tirukral is in a kind of, I said that, one of the Tamil Bible, and it has been written by what? Thiruvalluvar. And then according to whom? Thiruvalluvar. And then I said, thereafter another we have seen, yes, हमने देखा था Tolkappiyam, and Tolkappiyam was written by Tolkappiyar. And thereafter we have seen the story of Silappatikaram. Yes, Silappatikaram, and it is in a what? Revenge taken, it is in a revenge taken by the, what is in a Kannagi, the wife of Kovalam, against Madhvi and Kollam. And thereafter I said that, and the real में ये चीज है कि वहाँ पर the king has not supported Kannagi. Understood? Therefore that they started taking it, and further हाँ वहाँ उसके साथ भी गलत हुआ, but he has taken the revenge, then their daughter will come, they are also taking. So heroic deeds, I said that heroic deeds of the daughter of Kolam and Madhvi, and it is known as, yes, tell me, yes, Mani Mekalai, and it is written by Satnur, or Mani or Malai rakhoge to Satnur aayenge. Understood it? And thereafter we have seen Cheras, and the Cheras are, I said that Cheras emblem is, I said that on the Kerala side, bow, and then Vanji, and then Mujris, and then Tondi, and then we have the Mujris and Tondi are seaports, and there is an Augustus temple, it is a Roman god, and then I said that it has been destroyed by whom? Tipu Sultan, and they are what is in a paper and jackfruit, they are what is in a exporting to it, on all this that we have seen. And then I said that another, it is in a Cholas, and the Cholas are, I said that tiger, it is in a tiger, and then famous tiger Choti, kaun hai? Karikal, what is in a Karikala. And then I said that famous seaport is the Puhar. Yes or not? Or generally आप लोग हार डालते ही रहते हो करिकाला को. Yes or not? Puhar, and there is a seaport also. This is the capital also. This is known as Kaveri Patnam, and then famous cultivation if you talk about tiding. And then the Kaveri river is the holy river. And then we have seen Pandyas, and Pandyas I said that capital is Madurai. What is? And its emblem is fish. And then I said that who is the ruler? Actually, the ruler is female. Who is ruling? Female. And then now we have to remember something. I said that major revenue source, यहाँ का थोड़ा सा कुछ idea लेंगे. I said that major revenue source कौन था? Agriculture, trade and war. ये तो हमेशा ही maximum जगह में after the war whatever the things are coming, that has been that is known as what? War booty. So trade, agriculture and war booty. These are the what is a source of finance and all. मेन इन्फ्लुएंस किसका रहा? चाहे साउथ में चाहे नॉर्थ में, किसका रहा? ब्राह्मण्स. अंडरस्टूड? और हम लोग देखेंगे भी कैसे देयर व्हाट इज ऑल पल्लवास, चोलास, दे आर व्हाट इज Brahmanas. They have favored Brahmanas and free grant to, and south maybe they go against the why you are giving Brahmanas this kind of land, free grant to them. So we have been able to see that, and then of Brahmanas sacrifices and dakshina diya jata. The primary deity was Sion or Murugan. Yes, sir. Have you heard about Murugan? Huh? Kartikeya. Yes. Who is the god Murugan? Huh? Shiva's son. Murugan. That is the Kartikeya. And I said that none as an Subramanyam in medieval times. इनको क्या बोला गया? Subramanyam. क्या बोल रहे थे? कार्तिकेय. काकतिया निकल रहा है मेरे मुंह से. So Kakatiya is a Warangal. So Kartikeya, and then times along with the other gods worshipped also there is Vishnu and Indra. So the Kartikeya is also known as Murugan, but in the medieval time it is also known as Subramanyam. तो कहीं पे कोई मंदिर देखेंगे कौन सा मंदिर? Subramanyam. So I said that ruling class. Ruling क्या करते हैं? आरा से सर को काट देते हैं. तो ruling class is known as आरा सर. आरा सी में 100 मशीन से आपको क्या करना है? हेड को कट करना. आरा सर. अंडरस्टूड? लोवेस्ट क्लास. एंड लोवेस्ट क्लास को क्या करते हैं? कढ़ाई में सर को डाल देते हैं. क्या कर देते हैं? There is what is in a burning oil is there, and then in kadai sir. So what is the ruling class? Ara sir. Ruling class. Ara से सर को काट दिया, and then lowest class kadai sir military captain. इनादी हमने क्या बोला? मिलिट्री कैप्टन जो है वो कौन है ये स्टेल में? और यही तो इसका सबका नदी में बना रहा है. He is making all the people to what is ना? नदी सबका खून की नदी. I said the military class. I was talking about military captains. And rich peasants. ये काम नहीं करते हैं. पंजाबी में क्या कहते हैं? So I said that rich peasants are rich peasants are. So which are the ruling class known as Arasar? Then lower class Kadaisar, military captain, Inadi, and then I said that rich peasants Velasam. And then agricultural laborers are pariyar. केवल उनको सपने आते हैं परी को. Agricultural laborers can't see the word. They can see only परी. Who worked in the animal skin and all. तो परी का कभी सब skin देख ले तो फिर तो हार्ट अटैक आ जाएगा सडन में. सो परी का केवल सपना देख सकते हैं. सो आई सेड दैट द एग्रीकल्चरल लेबरर्स आर नोन एज परियार. एंड देन आई सेड आर्टिसंस. पेरियार से मत कनेक्ट कर देना. दिस इज परियार. साउथ में ऐसे वर्ड्स बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे. तो एवरीवन दे स्टार्टेड फाइंडिंग आउट पेरियार. सो इट इज ना परियार. एंड देन कुछ बच्चे सर कहीं परियार उसी से नहीं रिलेटेड मुल्ला पेरियार. सो आई सेड आर्टिसंस वर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन श्रेणी. श्रेणी मींस ग्रुप. And I said that which had judicial power over them. And chief exports were cotton, papers, and ivory. It is not necessary to be asked. In North, Mathura has a famous for a special kind of cloth called sataka. In North, में Mathura was famous for a special kind of cloth. Mathura के लिए इन लोग connection था उत्तर पथा. Yes or no? And then they are doing what is na trade and which cloth? Sataka. सटीक निशान नॉर्थ से सीधे सट से कहाँ पहुंचे? Sataka. Understood it? So we have finished with, I said that. Yes? Tell me. Sangam age. And thereafter we are going to see Gupta Empire. And which are the rulers of Gupta Empire? I said that. Yes? First is Chandragupta first. Second I said that. Samudragupta. Third one is Chandragupta second. Third one is, fourth one is Kumargupta. Fifth one is, I said that, Skandagupta. And thereafter I said that last one is Bhanugupta and all. You can be able to see. I said that, but this Gupta empire was established by Sri Gupta. Who has established? And then after that there is another Ghatotkacha. Have you heard about Ghatotkacha? Bhimasan. तो उसी के लिए correct. And I said that हमने क्या बोला? समुद्र. Sorry, which one is the Chandragupta first? Which one I said? हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं पता है ना? आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो? golden age of India. Chandragupta first, then I said Samudragupta, then I said Chandragupta second, then I said Kumargupta, then I said Skandagupta, and I said Bhanugupta. Chandragupta first. इससे पहले which are that I did? Sri Gupta, Ghatot, which one is there? Sri Gupta, and that has been followed by Ghatot. Life may have you seen sometimes when you are seeing your face in the water, or that is in a completely calm, peaceful water. तो आपको अपना फेस नजर आएगा और महसूस होगा जाकर इसको एक बार पकड़ा जाए, क्योंकि वहां पे हाथ डाल सकते मिरर में can't put hand. So I said that or this kind of picture you can take. So I said that similarly this is in a water body, and in the sky there is a chand, and the chand क्या है? समुद्र में चांद की परछाई देखता है. चांद समुद्र में चांद, the shadow of, and then समुद्र में sea. Chand is seeing his shadow in the समुद्र. Understood? तो चांद समुद्र में क्या देखता है? What he says? Himself is watching some chand is there. How it can be possible? Understood? And यहाँ पर what I said that चांद समुद्र में चांद की परछाई. चंद्रगुप्त, समुद्रगुप्त, चंद्रगुप्त, and first and then second. And thereafter one boy is there. And boy को इंडिया में लोग क्या कहते हैं? कुमार. लेकिन आज भी लोग अपना कुमार टाइटल लगा कर रखते हैं. I said that. And this Kumar, find it is some kind of fruit. उसको क्या लगेगा? Kumar, one watching it is in one chand is over there, white color. He find that is some kind of fruit. And then island, the boy who lives in the island and all, तो उसको लगेगा यहाँ से निकालू खा लूँ. तो उसको क्या समझ रहा है? He is understanding this one as an what? कंदमूल, fruit. क्या समझ रहा है इसको? And कंदमूल समझकर काम खत्म कर दिया. And then I said that चांद समुद्र में क्या देखता है? चांद की परछाई. चांद समुद्रगुप्त, चंद्रगुप्त first, समुद्रगुप्त, चंद्रगुप्त second. And what he is watching, and then किसने देखा? कुमार. And कुमारगुप्त, and thereafter I said that स्कंदगुप्त. क्या देखा? Yes, tell me. कंदमूल समझ लिया. And morning में क्या आ जाएगा? सूर्य. And सूर्य is known as Surya. The morning is sun will come, and the sun it is known as what? Bhanugupta. Understood it? And if I am talking about Chandragupta first, I said that क्या हमने बोला? Chandragupta first. He has taken the title of Maharaja Adhiras. What is the title he has taken? Maharaja Adhiras. What the title he has taken? Tell me first. What the title he has taken? Maharaja Adhiras. And then the second person comes Samudragupta. And इसको देने की जरूरत नहीं, लोगों ने दे दिया. Yes, Samudragupta. He has covered that Afghanistan till East Assam, Myanmar, the south he has covered. And the no war in which he was defeated, he is opposite to Maurya, Ashoka. He became Dhamma, but he remained Digvijay Hira. He was Napoleon of India. So what is the title he has got? Napoleon of India. And then some of the seal are there, and then coins are there. In those coins, it has been seen that he is having a veena in his hand. Veena in his hand. On the basis of that, he has got the title of Kavi Raja. Yes, what are the two titles that Mr. Samudragupta? Napoleon. आप वर्ल्ड में समुद्र को खुद तरीके से अपने देखिए. not as in a human being. Ocean क्या है? Napoleon, yes or no? You can't defeat it. Napoleon. And then when it comes onto the coast, उसके waves आपको अच्छे लगते हैं? And then cool sounding. It looks like Kavi, yes or not? So I said that Samudragupta, I said that Napoleon of India and Kavi Raja. Even that one portion, ऐसे लोगों के पीछे तो हरि भी, हरि, you know that God. This kind of person के साथ, those who believes in himself, those who believe in himself, who can become the Napoleon of India, who believes in himself. And why do the people move here and there? Because he does not believe in himself. I said that those who believe in himself. Samudragupta is that kind of person. He is the Napoleon of India. He is considered as a Kavi Raj. Yes or not? And इनके life में कौन था? One poet, Hari, God. उसके साथ कौन थे? Hari Sena. Who was the God? Sorry, who was the poet? Hari Sena. And you know that he has gone to, that Allahabad. In the Allahabad inscription, if you go, and वहाँ पे देखेंगे, there is a Buddha and all already, several pillars are related to this. वहाँ पर जाकर नीचे में उन्होंने अपनी स्टोरी लिखी थी. Understood it? So what we are going to see, Samudra. What we have seen, Samudra Gupta. Then next one is coming in Chandragupta second. Who comes? तो ये कभी किसी को मना करने वाले में नहीं थे. समुद्रगुप्त, मैं इसको हराना है तो हराना है, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. तो पहले जो गुप्ता पीरियड था, बिहार एंड यूपी. ओनली गुप्ता पीरियड, इनिशियल पीरियड में क्या पे था? Bihar and UP after the Kushanas and all. It was only in the Bihar and UP, and therefore nearby I said that Allahabad there is a नाम दिमाग से निकल रहा है. Yes, no नहीं. करना अभी आ जाएगा. क्या नाम है? Yes, Prayag. क्या है? Prayag was the capital. Prayag was the capital, and when he started winning all, then it has been transferred to Ujjain. Thereafter it has been transferred to Ujjain. Understood it? Prayag is the first. So slowly and slowly, earlier it is only in UP and Bihar. What is that? UP and Bihar, Guptas, and thereafter they started, what is increasing his impact. The whole Afghanistan side it has moved toward the east and towards south, and then the capital has come to Ujjain. Understood? And thereafter there is another ruler, Chandragupta II. And Chandragupta II, he has got the title of Vikramaditya. What is the title he has taken? And how many times Vikramaditya title has been taken? 16 times. And who has taken? Ujjain king. After defeating the Saka's ruler. Rudradaman, one of the Saka rulers. Understood? And then Rudradaman was the famous ruler. Rudradaman first. And then he has taken the Vikramaditya, and Vikram Samvat has been started after that, 57 BC.